This thing can do what? Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here from Waltz, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new Samsung Freestyle Projector. It's a super easy, quick, and portable projector, and we're going to get into some of the specs and kind of what I think about it. Now, the Freestyle does have a 180-degree design, which allows it to be displayed on the wall or to the side, and even place it off center, if that makes sense. So I could place it here but have it point that way and it would still look good. There's some built-in features on why that works, but it really makes it easy to set up. Now, this is basically a smart TV because it has Samsung's Tizen operating system. So you can use it with a similar remote. It's not the same as the QLED remote, but it's pretty much the same style, just smaller. And you can control this just like a smart TV, and it has the same operating system that you would expect from something you might have at home. Now, the cool thing about this projector is that it actually optimizes the screen to the environment that it's in. So depending on the color of your wall, maybe the texture, it'll try to adjust the image to make it look the best that it possibly can. And more importantly, it has the auto image leveling, which people don't realize, but this is a really cool feature. As you can see, I'm messing around with it here. It auto adjusts the image to what angle I have it set so that it looks as straight as possible. But when you're setting up projectors, it can be really tedious and take a lot of time to get it right. And that's honestly the problem with a lot of these cheap projectors. It's not that it can't produce a picture that's worth watching, but they're just a pain in the butt to set up. And with this, hence the name Freestyle, it makes it really easy to set up. Now, let's talk about audio, and the Freestyle has gotten a little bit of pushback on some of the features, which honestly, you can't really expect too much because it's the size of my hand. I mean, it's a small device, TV projector, everything all in one. You can't expect the audio to be amazing. It does have a design so that it has 360 audio, but I mean, as far as the lows and the bass, it's really not there. It does a great job of producing voice, so if you're watching things where people talk a lot, it's gonna sound pretty good, but I definitely think if you're gonna be movie watching, you should probably try to pair it with another speaker. We'll talk a little bit more about that later. Now, it is powered via USB Type-C, and it plugs into the wall, but you can use a external power bank if you'd like. Depending on how powerful it is, it might not be able to be at its peak brightness if you have one of those really small ones, but if you have a big enough power bank, it should run fine, and you don't have to have a power source as long as you have one of those. Now, the cool thing about this projector is that it doesn't have a size. It's the Freestyle. I mean, you pick the size. So here's a quick chart to kind of give you an idea of what different sizes they are, but basically it ranges between 30 and 100 inches. So 2.6 feet is not that far from the wall, and you're going to get about a 30-inch picture. And then you go all the way up. You can scale that to 8.8 feet at 100 inches. You can go a little bit farther if you'd like, but then you really start to lose some of the picture quality, the brightness, and depending on where you're at, it might not look good past that 8.8 feet. Now, the way you connect this to an external source would be a micro HDMI, which it's HDMI ARC. So if you were planning on connecting this to like a Chromecast dongle or Roku or something and streaming it off there, you can. Obviously, it has the built-in app, so I don't know why you wouldn't just use that. But if for some reason you want something specific that's on your Chromecast, you can plug it into that. It's also compatible with AirPlay 2, so if you want to show your buddy something real quick, just throw it on a wall, pull up your phone, and stream it straight to this device. Oh, and if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out. The Freestyle has gotten a lot of pushback in the audio department, but I'm not really sure why, because what can you expect out of this small hand size portable projector? I would definitely recommend getting a Bluetooth speaker of some sort and hooking it up to the Freestyle. We actually did use the MX T40, which is another Samsung speaker. We're going to be doing a video on that as well. Paired it up, it works super easy, and it sounds great. It really helps kind of bring that experience to the user. However, you do need power, so if you wanted to go with something else that was maybe battery operated, you could. You just have a battery life. So I really recommend looking at these towers because you can just plug them in and they sound very great out of the box. Now, it actually does have a button on the side where you can turn the microphone on and off for that Google Home and Alexa. So if you don't like the fact that it could be listening to you bothers some people, and it does have that manual function. So I thought that was a very cool feature. Now, if you guys are looking for the best price and you're planning on picking one of these up, please visit our website and check us out. We ship to the major US 48, and the goal of our YouTube channel is to help find you and make it simple, make buying a great experience. So if you are planning on picking one up, check it out on our website. And if you do pick one up, let us know. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think about this product down in the comments, and we will see you in the next one. That's going to be all for this one, and if you guys haven't already, check out some of our other cool videos on products like these. If you guys are interested in getting the best deal on this product, email youtube@Waltz. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos or deals.